that incredible smokiness. Oh, that's just awful. It's Canadian smoke from the Canadian wildfires, according to what the news has been saying. I think so. I think that's right. Sure, I'm heading in the direction I intended to go. If I don't see something pretty soon that's familiar, then I will. But I think this is right. Look at that old barn and corn. Did you see that? Wasn't that super? Oh yeah, I come through here sometimes. Saw some Queen Anne's lace by the road, and I gotta tell you, I'm very fond of that flower. Very fond. Might have been better to go back 62 so you could see it better. I may turn around out here instead of going all the way back to Frankfurt like on this road. I think you can't see as much because it's a little closer, you know. I'm going to find a place and turn around. Neighborhood called the Belvedere back there. Very pretty. This lovely. I love the rock walls of this in this area. I don't think you can see it as good as I wish you could. Okay. Isn't this nice and lovely and beautiful? Pretty road out there here. I'm going to find a little place and turn around. Kind of don't want to turn in people's driveway, but if I had to, I would. Okay. Still driving. See how pretty this is through here right now? Think about it if there was no smoke or haze or anything. Oh, I could have turned right there. Would have been a great spot. Okay, well, maybe in the next great spot. Look at this. Nice. I don't consider this great. Although it might have been. So, what do you like to do on a nice hot July day in the area you're from? Are you from Kentucky or where? Look at this. This almost looks like it was just made for me to turn around, doesn't it? Right? Let me get out of that guy's or gal's way that's coming toward me. Superb, isn't it superb? This little car right here has such a great turn on it. I mean, for real. It has a great turn. I mean, heard of people saying turn on a dime. Well, that's this one. Turn on a dime, yeah. Okay. We're off again. Head back to the Georgetown area. We're not very far out of Georgetown, so we'll turn around and get back on 62 and then go back to Interstate 64 and head back to Frankfurt. always appreciate it when you ride along with me. I really appreciate it. It's nice. I talk to you just like you was sitting in the seat beside of me. I'm probably not talking loud enough in case you were in the back seat, but since you're in the front seat with me, or I'm assuming here that you're in the front seat with me, then hopefully you can hear me. I hope I'm not real loud. Sure like having you though. Brightens up my day. And yes, I do know you're not physically in the car with me, but let's think about it like you are. Look at that barn out there. Did you love that? Me too. Me too. So you can't really on this road see, since I'm doing this about the Canadian wildfire smoke, or the smoke from the Canadian wildfire, this really wasn't the best. It's beautiful through here, but really wasn't the best road to take you on to see that, to see the smoke. Sure has a haze on everything. My eyes are so burning. I feel like I need a cool, cold, wet cloth to put on them to make them feel a little fresher, because they're burning. And I do still have it on recirculating, the controls and air of the car. Let's see right here. Okay. Thought we were going to have to stop here for just a minute, but